In this video, we will see how can we extract or grab the images from a PDF file. For that, we will be using a pure Python library pypdf2. Let me install it. As I already installed, it shows the requirement already satisfied. So what is pypdf2? pypdf2 is a free open source pure Python library which is capable of splitting, merging, cropping and transforming the pages from a PDF. So we will import this library from pypdf2 import PDF reader. Now let me run it. Okay, now I am going to initialize PDF reader equal to, I am going to PDF reader of the file. This is this file. I am going to take this file name. Okay, I got this one. Now let me take only the first page. First page equal to PDF reader dot pages of 0. So let me run it. So we will take the first page right now. Now let me for the initializing the count, if there are n number of photos, okay, we will see why this is for. Count equal to 0. Now I am going to, right now all the images will be in this. So for image file in first page dot images, so all the files will be there. Now I am open with open string of count, count, plus image file, that is for getting the file name, image file dot name, comma for write. So with open string of count, okay, I don't want this one. Okay, now what we need to write the image file data. So fp dot write of image file, this image file dot data. So we are getting the image file dot data. Just increment the counter. Count is equal to count plus 1. So image file dot name we will have the name, and image file dot data we will have the image extracted from the PDF, and then just we are, for if there are n number of images, to get the count name we are just increment the count and writing in that file. Let us count equal, run this one, count equal to 0, then run this one. Now let's see whether the images has been extracted. So we can say right now two images will be 0, 1. I'm just, so this is the first image, and now, and this is the second image. So two images we extracted from this PDF. So in this, if there are n number of files, you can just iterate these pages. For instead of one more, you can keep one more loop on top of this line number, this line, and just iterate the pages, and then we can extract all the images from the PDF. Thank you.
Request you to please subscribe this channel for more technical and programming languages videos.